Welcome back. We are about to put our third post and beam truss up. We've got it assembled. We were pretty close to being done with it the other day, and we got hit pretty hard by the rain and got run out of here. We're back. We've done all the prep work that we need to do. We're ready to go and put this in place. I think this is going to go smoothly. I'm crossing my fingers. We've done it twice already. I think we've got this covered. So we're gonna go ahead and put it up there, bolt it in, brace it in with some 2x4s. We're gonna come back on the weekend, put up another panel just like that one, and we're gonna get another one of these trusses built and start putting it up. We might be able to do both of those in one weekend. So we've got it up and we are working on getting it properly balanced. Basically, we want it to sit flat level. Right now, this strap is doing the most of the lifting. This strap is going to be on there as a safety. What we're doing right now with the bolts is just adjusting for aesthetics. That's it. Everything is nice and tight and structural. We're trying to make the threaded rod move a little bit to be more even on each side. We got another one up. That's 3. We got 4 panels to put up and 3 more of these trusses. And then we start putting the roof on. Give or take. Got a few more things, but those are the big things. Go.
Well, that's it for tonight.
Keep going.
That's it. All I got.
That's it. Goodbye.
That's all I got. Good night.
Well, that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Come on back and check us out again at Breakheart Orchard. We'll be here.
Good night.